It is an educational video of class 8 by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj.
Good morning to everyone. Good to see you all again. I hope you all are studying well at home. So let us begin with our continued chapter, and that is
Land, soil and water resources. In this video, we will continue the same chapter, and today's topic is water resources, and we'll discuss about water resources. So let us see what is water. Water is a renewable natural resource, and 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 97% of the Earth's water is saline and found in oceans and seas. 2% of the total amount of water is frozen fresh water. Only 1% of fresh water is available for us. And this fresh water is the most precious substance on earth. Because we drink them, water will never get over. It will always be there on earth. But consumable water or fresh water is matter of concern. We use water for various purposes like drinking, washing, agriculture, industries, etc. It is also used for generating electricity. Now, the source of water, from where it comes. There are various sources of water. Rain is the primary source of fresh water. River, lakes, groundwater are secondary sources of water. So, let's see how rain is the primary source. So, before that, we should understand about water cycle. Water cycle involves the continuous circulation of water in the Earth's atmosphere. The main process involved in the cycle are evaporation, condensation and evaporation. If you can see that the saline water, it's evaporate to form vapors which goes up in the sky and form clouds. On cooling and condensing, these clouds precipitate in the form of rain, hail or snow. And this natural process bring to us fresh water which is usable by humans. Now let us discuss the freshwater sources of India. India has rich water resources in the forms of various water bodies like rivers, lakes, etc., and also with groundwater. Indian rivers can be broadly classified as perennial and seasonal. Now, what is perennial and rivers? Perennial rivers are those rivers which have a continuous flow of water all the year. These rivers are Indus, Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Satluj, Ganges, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Brahmaputra and Kosi. Seasonal rivers. Seasonal rivers are rain-fed and do not flow all the year round. They are mainly found in central and peninsular India. They are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi, Chambal, Betwa, Sindh and Luni. Let us discuss about groundwater sources. Groundwater sources are abundant in the northern plains because these plains allow seepage and water and also experience abundant rainfall. Large portion of our groundwater remains unutilized due to lack of technology and funds. Pollutants on the land surface seep down into the ground and contaminate groundwater, and these are the especially where groundwater is utilized for drinking and agriculture. This signifies the importance of the water and preserving the freshwater resources. Now here are some of the ways to conserve water. First, rainwater harvesting should be encouraged. Second, prevent wastage of water. Third, store rainwater and utilize for domestic uses. Fourth, industrial waste must not be disposed of in water bodies. So, we should prevent water pollution. Fifth, immersion of idols or floral offering in water bodies must be strictly forbidden. Sixth, trees must be planted. because it helps replenish groundwater storage.
Thank you.